Well, I thought about filming outside today because it is warm and sunny and birds are all around me. So are other noises, but let's see if we can get through this video. So here's another winner. Hopefully the bees won't get me, or crows. There's quite a few of them. So we have our box open. Hopefully it's beautiful wrapping. Everything is nice and packed. So in this box we have a cup or a mug, their own company mug. It's cute. Nice lightweight. Next is SPF 15 sunscreen lip balm. So that's nice. This is for like a hiking, it's a hiking box for a hiker. Next we have nice thick but soft, a lot softer than those previous socks we had. Of course from China, but pretty nice big socks. This is company. Something in here. Cute packaging. There's a little logo on here. And this is a Sky Outfitters. It comes with a little coupon. Nice beanie. You can open it up and make it like a slouchy type hat maybe. But it's nice. It doesn't feel like wool or anything. It's 100% soft acrylic. So it's something I would use to make my crochet items. And the last item in this pleather looking pouch is the tool. So if you're hiking, you have all these cool tools to take with you. It's actually a pretty cool box. And then it tells you what everything is for. Pretty handy here in California, I must say. And then we have some cards here, gift cards. Wine, $100. Naked wines. Not what I drink, but. And then this. Pretty nice. Let's wait for this truck. Of course it's coming to my community, of course. Okay, so we have this tool. We have the beanie. Wonderful soft socks. The lip balm, SPF 15, and a cool cup. Guess we're ready to go somewhere, except we can't because of Corona, so we have to stay indoors. This truck out of here. Alright, so that's the traveling hiking box, and I will do another video after this one.